Hey everyone, today I will show you how to edit Power BI graphs by customizing the title, grid lines and adding shadows and many more. So let's start. First we will select the graph and then in visualization pane we will go to format pane. In general setting we'll go to property. You can change the size and you can add the title, or you can, if you want to off it, you can do it, but now we are keeping it on. You can change the font size like this, 20. Now it's much visible, and put it bold. Yeah, do it like this, and you can change the color also, but we are keeping it black. Subtitle already on, so you can off it also. We'll keep it bold. Now it's much better. If you want to change the color, you can change it also. From here you can add the effects. So background, right now the background is white, but we'll change it to like this one, peach color, so it is looking good. You can add, increase or decrease the transparency, visual borders, and you can on the shadow also, you can on it. So you see, now we will change the values. We'll go to x-axis. In values you can change the font size. I think 14 is fine. We'll change the color to bold. Yeah. If you want to off the legends, then you don't want the legend, then you can off it. But we want it, so we can keep it like this. Now in y-axis we'll do the same. Yeah. Values, it was 13 or 14. Yeah, bold. That's it. Yeah. In title you can go to the title, show title only. If you want to show the title only, then it will show the title, and if you want subtitle, you can add it. Legends, if you want to change the color of the columns, then you can do it from here also. Like we want it something different, so let's do it. So you can change the color from blue to like whatever you like. Now we will add some picture into the title. Now we will go to insert, image. I have already downloaded the image, so I'll take it from here. You can change its size also. Right, and from 3 dots you can move it. So I'll put it here. Yes. And now I will do some beautification. In this, so I will go to, we'll change the background color from here, from white to like some dark color. Okay, this one, and we'll add shadow effect also on. Okay, now in table or this one card, we'll do some changes in it also. If you want this kind of format, then you can go to this, and then in home, format painter, first select this one and then select format painter. Now we have format painter. We will do the formatting like this, and so you can do it like this also. And then in slicer also we'll do the same. We will select the format painter and then change it, and then in table also we'll do the editings, same editings. Now we will change the background color of the canvas also. You can do the canvas settings, canvas background, and here from here you can change the color from white to just check this one. Now keep the transparency to 0%. Keep the transparency to 0%. Now you see the background color has been changed. You can do editings like that to make it more beautiful. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.